back to 8.
So this was earlier. Phil, exactly hole high. Somebody used the putter. Come on. So he would tap that in for his par. Now we're live. And this is an enormous drive from Rory.
Yeah, I'm going to have a guess saying this is the longest of the day.
It is.
Okay, it is ridiculous how far. So just 124 left.
He said it's 369 yards. Just 6 yards further than Tiger earlier today. Take dead aim. As you expect, a chance for a birdie. I've been hoping to get it about 10 feet closer.
Patrick Reed on the tee at 15. He's making a move. He's at 5 under, 2 under on his round today.
15 par 3 for you bingo lovers. 3 ducks in a row. 197, no, 222. 220.